B, S, ow.
Break.
Blur.
E.
Round.
R.
Schwa.
When I have students who don't understand how to say certain words, I make them follow the word with their hands. So for example, blonde, I go blonde with their hands, or brown. And I make sure I do a really horrible face as well.
For students who have a hard time articulating the L and R sounds, here's my go-to lesson. Pen in the mouth, the tongue touch exercise. La, tongue touches, ra, it doesn't touch. La, ra. I do enunciation practice. So what I do is that I put an article up on the board and I tell them to break it down to every syllable and enunciate. And they hate it, but it's really good work. And it's really useful.
Since so much of pronunciation is also intonation and rhythm and flow, I like to pick a small sentence, a short sentence like, I want to go to the store, and have the students say it naturally. I want to go to the store. And then I'll repeat it a couple times, and I'll have them repeat it a couple times, focusing not only on correct pronunciation, but natural pronunciation and rhythm and intonation.
Hi, David. How are you?
Hey, Bill. I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic.
You know what I want to do?
What do you want to do?
I want to go to the store.
Wait, you want to go to the store?
I want to go to the store with you.
With me? Oh, that's great. What about with Lulwa, too?
Lulwa? Ugh.
Yeah.
She can't come with us.
My pronunciation tip is to use Dr. Seuss and the Nursery Rhymes. The reason why we have the Nursery Rhymes was to help children learn how to speak. So we use it with our ESL students. One of the tips that I did with them was using the nursery rhyme hickory dickory dock to practice the k sound. So they said hickory dickory dock, and it helped them understand how to say the k sound.
E, the smile sound, is really good to practice to get everyone smiling. You cannot make this sound correctly if you're not smiling. It's E, like sheep. And then we drop the chin and relax and go ship, E, sheep, ship. So we like to start with a vocal workout sometimes like that, just to get everyone loosened up and having fun.
For example, the word brown. You might hear variations in class like brown or brown. If that's not what you're saying is, you have to break it into smaller pieces. So obviously, you know the sound brown has a b, a r, a ow, and a to it. So focus on those parts. Say it slowly. Break it into those small pieces. Your name is Id.
Oh. And yours is B-I-O-O.
Exactly.
Tongue twisters are a good way to get the students to repeat alternating sounds that are similar but different from each other. We learned she sells seashells by the seashore with alternating S and SH sounds.
Roy, can you do the tongue twister really quick?
She sells seashells by the seashore.
Faster.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
One more time.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
It works.
I hope so.
My number one pronunciation tip is to teach the IPA, the International Phonetic Alphabet, as quickly as possible so you can show students how to say words that are not pronounced like they're spelled. For example, honest and psychology. And by the way, a lot of students have asked me how to say your name, Lulwa.
What do you tell them?
I say it's Lulwa. And then we get to work on the schwa, which is an unstressed sound that's very common in English.
Her name
is L-U-A. L-U-A.
Is it-
L-I-U-A-A, ching chang, wah wah bing bang.